So guys, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description. You want to download both the Steam.Api.dll and the Steam.Api64.dll. So you want to right click on the Steam api.dll and then click on open link in a new tab and do the same thing for the 64 one. So first we're going to download the regular Steam api.dll, click on it, and then you want to scroll down, and then you want to download this. It's the 32-bit version. We're going to download this. It's going to start downloading automatically. Don't get the other one yet. We're going to be doing this one first. We do not get confused with the names. So I'm in my downloads folder now. You want to double click on it, and then you want to find the Steam_api.dll. You want to right click on it and then click on copy, and now you want to click on this PC, and then you want to click on your C drive where you have Windows installed on, and then you want to click on Windows, and now you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it, and now next to system type, it will tell you what's your architecture. So I'm running 64-bit. You are most likely also on 64-bit, or it may say x86, which means that you're on 32-bit. So if you're on 64-bit like me, then you want to scroll down until you find systems.32. This is for 64-bit, by the way. So you want to double click on this, and then you want to paste that DLL file into here. If you're using x86 or 32-bit, you want to scroll down until you find sysfile64, and then you want to paste the DLL file into here. For me, I don't need to do this because I'm on 64-bit, which you most likely are as well. Now we're going to do the exact same thing again. So now we're going to head over to the second link, which is the Steam api64. You're going to scroll down and then click on download. It's going to start downloading automatically. And now once it's downloaded, you want to double click on the folder, and then you want to copy the Steam api64-bit. Right click on it, click on copy, and now you want to click on this PC, and then you want to click on your C drive, Windows, and again, if you have 64-bit, you want to paste it into the System32 folder, and if you're on 32-bit, you want to paste it into the sysfile64 folder. So you want to scroll down. In my case, I'm only pasting it into System32 because I'm on 64-bit. Right click, paste, continue. And now you want to restart your computer, and then that's how you do it.